Another Temu purchase. These are brilliant, honestly. It's like there were 100 of these, the compressed towels, and they were. I don't think they were just under £3 they were. So I'll stick a link in description so you can find them. But look at this, the unbelievable. You put them in warm water, just drop them in, and just slowly open up. It's even satisfying to watch, to be honest, when you're using it. I've slowed this down just so you can see a bit better. But yeah, when you open them up, they're like, I don't know what they're made of, to be honest. It's just really good material. It's strong. So they're ideal for the wife, makeup removal, things like that. If you just wanted to wash your hands, ideal for camping or as camper vanning, as we do. Yeah, look at that. Really, really good. And they're strong. They're surprisingly strong. I thought that they'd fall to bits. That they'd be really, like bad quality. Because I mean, 100 for under £3. It's crazy. So yeah, like I said, the ideal for if you're just going out for a day, something like that, you've got access to a bit of warm water. But yeah, camping, caravanning, I like that. So yeah, check it out. I'll put a link in description and I'll put it in comments as well. I'll pin it in comments just to take straight across if they've got any left, that is.